In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping with $0, or at least with almost $0. Now wait, don't click away just yet, because I promise you that with this method you can start making 5 figures a month or even 6 figures a month. And the best part, you only need about $50 to start. And let's be honest, anyone can come up with a way to get this amount of money. So grab your pen and notepad and stick till the end because I'm about to drop some serious value right here. If you're new to my channel, I'm Santiago, also known as Ecom Santiago, and for the past 5 years, dropshipping has transformed my life. From generating millions in sales, traveling to amazing places, getting my dream car, and overall living the lifestyle that I've always wanted. Now I'm here to share all my knowledge with you. But before we dive into the actual process, let's quickly break down what dropshipping actually is. Dropshipping, it's simply a business model to do e-commerce, which is selling products online. In a traditional e-commerce setup, the brand or the seller needs to buy the products, store them in a warehouse, market the products, and whenever orders come in, ship them to their customers. This process is complex and often requires a high investment to stock the products, which most people can't afford. And that's where dropshipping comes in. With dropshipping, you don't need to purchase stock in advance. Instead, you partner with third-party suppliers which actually own and store their products at their warehouse and let you resell the products at a markup. But your job is to find products that are already selling well, build an attractive online store, run social media ads, and when you make a sale, your supplier handles the shipping for you. But how do we make money? Well, we profit from the difference of our selling price and the cost of the product at the supplier. So now that we perfectly understand what dropshipping is, let's actually dive into the 4 steps that you need to apply if you want to start dropshipping with almost no money. However, before we jump into the actual details, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for notifications because I'm about to drop some serious value with you right here, right now. Alright guys, step number 1, we need to find a winning product. A winning product is essentially an item that's currently experiencing a massive trend. And here's the crucial point. Selling trending products is always going to be 10 times easier than selling products with no demand. But why is this? Well, essentially because people are already aware of these products, they see their value, making it simpler to get them to buy. But hold on, not every trending product will succeed with dropshipping. When researching for products, there are 4 additional factors that you need to consider. Number 1, the product needs to solve a problem. Number 2, the product needs to have a wow factor. Number 3, it needs to be difficult to get in local stores. And number 4, it needs to have a high perceived value, or simply it shouldn't look like something very cheap. With this in mind, let's dive into my free method to find the best winning products. All you need for this is your phone, and we're gonna use TikTok and Instagram. Alright guys, the first thing we're gonna do here is opening TikTok, and you're gonna search for the hashtag TikTok maybe buy it, okay? Then you're gonna filter the results by the past 3 months, and pretty much what we're doing here is identifying the most viral products that people are currently creating content about, and you're gonna start scrolling until you find products that catch your eye. Now listen, pay attention to these key factors. Alright, first of all, the product needs to meet 3 out of the 4 factors that I mentioned before. Very important too, the video should have over 100,000 views, 500,000 views, or ideally over 1 million views, because this indicates that the product is trending. Now, another important thing is that the product should be easy to record content with, meaning it's something you can record multiple videos about easily in just one sitting without much hassle. Now, for this example, let's choose this product. As you can see, it solves a problem, doesn't look cheap, might be hard to find in local stores, and has a wow factor. Now, most importantly, the videos from this TikTok account have a lot of views, some even over 1 million views in less than a month. And remember guys, you need to check the views within a maximum of 1 month to see if the product is actually trending. Now after this, you're going to create a simple spreadsheet just like this one so you can organize the products that you found. And next, what you're going to do is conducting individual research on each product. So what we're going to do is going back to TikTok, and you're going to search for each product name with different keywords, filtering by the last 3 months again. The goal here is to find at least 2 TikTok accounts posting about the same product with both having good views on their videos. If possible, aim for 3 accounts. Now, when you find a product promoted by different accounts, well, all with strong views, it is a solid sign that the product is trending, okay? If multiple people are seeing success with these videos on the same product, your chances of success are high too. Finally, what we're gonna do here is rinsing and repeat the same process, but this time on Instagram. Listen, in 2024, Reels has become a strong competitor to TikTok, so checking if products are trending on Reels can help further validate if the product is trending. And that's it, guys. This is the exact method that I teach my students from the Dropshipping Academy to find the best winning products for dropshipping. All right, guys, now for step number 2, we're gonna design a branded one product online store to sell your product. And quick note, I'm not gonna cover this step by step on how to design the store on this video. That's gonna be for a different video, otherwise it would take so much time. However, I will provide you with the essential points that you need to know if you wanna have a high converting dropshipping store. But just for you to know, a full tutorial on how to design a website will be coming soon. Just like the video and comment if you wanna see that video anytime soon. All right, let's get into it. First things first, we're gonna use Shopify. Shopify is right now the best e-com platform for dropshipping. It's a tool that makes it extremely easy to build and host online stores, and most importantly, also allows you to capture the payments of your customers. If you want to get Shopify subscription for just $1, make sure to click the link in the description. All right, once you've signed up for Shopify, we're going to be focused on creating a one product store. A one product store is basically a branded online website on which you're going to be selling only your main winning product. This approach is highly effective in 2024 because it allows you to concentrate on creating a strong branding to give the perspective that you are actually the real brand and manufacturer of the product. And of course, this builds trust and increases the likelihood of getting sales. And not to mention that creating a general store, it's much easier than creating a general store or a niche store. With a one product store, you only need to focus on 4 main pages: your home page, your product page, your track your order page, and your contact us page. Now let me actually show you a real example of a real one product store, and I'm gonna give you some details of what your store should have. All right, you guys, so here on my screen, we have a one product store. It is basically a beauty product. And the first thing you need to notice about this dropshipping store, it's the branding, okay? As you can see right here, everything is related to the product. For example, the colors, the palette color, everything is related to the colors of the product itself. You can see that we have amazing product descriptions, amazing images for the homepage. But to be honest with you, the homepage isn't the most important link. Actually, the most important link that you need to focus on your one product store, it's gonna be the product page, because the product page is essentially where people are gonna land after they click on the link from your advertisement. So let's get right now here into the product page, and let me show you how a good product page needs to look like in 2024. All right, so here on the product page, first thing we notice is we have a really strong hook on the product offer. We have great images. We have a really engaging product description. We have GIFs to describe how the product works. We have high converting copywriting. We have emojis, everything to grab the attention of the customer. Another important thing you need to know is try to brand your images. Try not to use the general images that you can find on the internet, because that's gonna make your store look basic and not professional, okay? As you can see right here, we have a very concrete structure. The product page is divided in 3 main sections, which I'm going to explain to you in just a minute. Basically, the product offer, the product description, and lastly, the social proof section. We're going to talk about this in just a minute, okay? All right, now that you've seen how a high converting one product store should look like, let me actually give you some real tips that you can apply to have a store just like this one. Tip number 1, focus on creating a solid product page. The product page, it's where all the details about your product is going to be showcased. It's literally the place at which you're going to direct your potential customers after they see your ad. Therefore, it needs to be well organized and clearly present all the benefits and features about the product. Tip number 2, use this product page structure to boost your sales. Listen, your product page should be divided in 3 main sections. Section number 1, it's the product offer section, and it's pretty much where we're gonna display the name of the product, we're gonna show the price, the main images, and the key details about the product itself. Now, section number 2, it's the product description section. This is where you'll provide a comprehensive explanation on what the product benefits and features are. And lastly, we have the social proof section. This is a very important section because it allows you to build trust by showcasing reviews and testimonials about other people. And listen, if you use this structure, I can guarantee you that you're gonna be in the right way to generating thousands of dollars in sales. So at this point, we already know how to find the best winning product and how to design the best looking online store. Now it's time to connect your supplier. So for step number 3, I'll introduce you right now to the best supplier that you can use in 2024 to reliably ship the products to your customers. But before I reveal the supplier, let's quickly discuss why selecting the right supplier is essential to be successful with dropshipping. Listen, selecting the right supplier can impact the sustainability of your dropshipping store in the long term. And listen guys, from my experience, I've dealt with many suppliers that offer low costs, but at the end of the day, delivered poor shipping times, poor quality products, and a very unreliable customer service. And at the end of the day, this led to more money lost due to chargebacks and poor customer satisfaction. My best advice for you is to pick the supplier that offers you the best shipping and the most reliable customer service. And of course, in terms of product quality and customer support. And trust me, this will help you scale your dropshipping store smoothly, avoiding angry customers and preventing potential legal issues. Now guys, with that in mind, the best supplier that I recommend you to use in 2024 is SendDrop. Listen, for me, SendDrop, it's currently the best supplier for several key reasons. Firstly, and most importantly guys, they offer a wide range of products with fast shipping. Thanks to their international warehouses in the US and China, they can actually deliver orders within just 5 to 15 days, which it's excellent for dropshipping, trust me. Now, another thing is that the platform is incredibly user-friendly and the product costs are very competitive compared to other suppliers. And you know what? The best about SendDrop, it's that actually connecting your Shopify store, it's extremely easy. It's very straightforward. All you have to do, it's literally clicking the link in the description, sign up and enjoy a 7-day free trial plus $200 in fulfillment credits and 50% off for the next 3 months. And after signing up, simply follow the steps to link your Shopify store. This will automatically sync your daily orders with SendDrop, making it very easy to fulfill your orders. Now let me actually show you how to use SendDrop. All right, you guys, so this is literally the first screen that you're gonna see whenever you sign up for SendDrop. It is literally asking us to connect the Shopify store, and this is extremely easy to be honest, because it's gonna give you 3 different options. The first one is this one, which is just connecting your current Shopify store, and you just need to click there and follow the steps. If you don't have a Shopify store, SendDrop actually offers you a free custom built store if you want to start with that and then design after having it. Or the last option would be just to decide that you're gonna build your own store and then in the future connect it to SendDrop. That's initially what we're gonna do here with SendDrop. Now, after connecting the store, we have at the left side of the screen all the features that you can use. Honestly, this platform is extremely easy to use. The first thing we're gonna do, of course, is finding your winning product. So it's as simple as clicking on find products, and then all you have to do is literally scrolling here through the big catalog of products that SendDrop have to offer. But if you wanna be, of course, more specific, you can use the search bar and just type the name of the product. Like for this video, we're going to use the example of a posture corrector, and we're going to see what's going to pop up right here on the screen. Boom, there you have it. You have a bunch of different options from different posture correctors. We can pick this one. You're going to see the product cost. You're going to see the different variants. You're going to see the shipping cost to the main countries here, for example, the US and the other countries where typically we ship whenever we do drop shipping. And lastly, and most importantly, we see the final cost, including the shipping and the product cost. That's literally how easy you can add your product to your store. You can click here on add to my products, and then on my products you can find all the products that you have added to your list, and this is where you're going to be able to import the product to your Shopify store or connect it directly to SendDrop if you already have it on your dropshipping store. Now here in orders, this is where you're going to handle all the orders that you've been receiving in your dropshipping store. As I said before, this is going to be automatically synced once you connect your store, so every time you get an order, it's going to be right here in this section, and this is where you're going to be able to select the shipping, pay for it, and whenever you pay for it, SendDrop automatically fulfills the order. They ship the product to your customer and they upload the tracking number automatically. SendDrop not only offers this, they offer a bunch of other cool features such as this one, which is trending products. This is honestly one of my most favorite features about SendDrop, because with this you can literally check which are the best sellers right now at the moment, and I'm going to be giving you a good tip right now. If you take a look at this, trust me, this is where you're going to be able to find some hidden gems, some good products for drop shipping, because generally suppliers are the ones that have all the data from all the products that are selling the best. So definitely you need to check a look at that. Right here we have the branding. Branding is pretty much if you want to private label your products and your packaging, or if you want to create a bundle, you also have the bundle offer to create whatever bundle you want to create. SendDrop will do it for you. And lastly, if you want to request a product that maybe you didn't find on the find your product section, you can definitely request SendDrop to create that for you. Lastly, we have the SendDrop Academy, which is for you to learn a little bit more on the topic of dropshipping. All right, listen, so at this point, we already know how to find the best winning product, how to design a top-notch online store, and very importantly too, how to find or how to use the right supplier. Now, what's the missing step, guys? Marketing. Yes, you got it. Step number 4, it's doing the promotion of your product to get sales. On paper, this is probably the most crucial step, because without an advertising strategy, you won't reach your potential customers, and without reaching them, well, of course, you can't make sales. There are different advertising strategies for dropshipping, such as paid advertising, email marketing, or influencers marketing. However, all of this that I just mentioned require a substantial budget to start. But don't worry, guys. Of course, in this video, I'm gonna give you the best free advertising strategy that you can start using right now to begin generating those 5 figures a month that you want. The strategy is pretty simple. We're gonna be using organic ads by posting organic videos on TikTok and Reels. Remember when we were doing product research and we saw different accounts posting videos on different products? Basically, what you're gonna do is posting viral videos on TikTok and Reels with the purpose of taking them to go viral, which will drive traffic to your online store and eventually get you sales. The first thing you're gonna do is ordering the product. Of course, you need to get the product so you can create content with it, right? If you are in a country where Amazon operates, order the product through Amazon to get it in just 3 days. Now listen, don't worry, if Amazon isn't available in your country, look for familiar marketplaces where you can order the product, or if this is not an option for you, just order the product directly through SendDrop. Now for step number 2, we're gonna be analyzing the content of your competitors, and for this, we're gonna be going back to the phone. Listen, once you have the product, you need to study the content of your top competitors. You need to select the viral videos and replicate them with your own twist, guys. The idea is to mimic the video's concept, length, sounds, and captions, because replicating successful ideas is a great way to increase your chances of going viral. Now, step number 3 will be creating and posting your content. Again, for this, we're gonna prepare 3 videos a day, 7 times a week for an entire month. Because listen, the high volume of content literally boosts your chances of creating a viral video. And viral videos are typically those with over 100,000 views. Ideally, you want to reach over 1 million views to generate in between $5,000 to $10,000 in sales with just one video. Now, step number 4, schedule and post. Listen, guys, don't post all 3 videos at once. You need to spread them out throughout the day. And right here on the screen, I'm going to be showing you the best time to post on TikTok and Reels based on Eastern times. So pause the video and take a screenshot of this if needed. Step number 5, and probably the most important one, be patient and consistent. Remember this, there are only 2 ways to make money. Invest more money or invest time. Trust me, with just $50, you can potentially generate thousands of dollars in sales. But this strategy requires a significant amount of time invested. Don't expect immediate results. My most successful students that have applied this strategy, they started seeing results after 3 weeks of consistent posting. Lastly, and very important too, don't forget to update your TikTok bio, add your store's logo, a brief description of what you want to sell, and of course a link to your online store so customers can make a purchase. And that's a wrap for today's video. I'm extremely confident that if you start applying this strategy with discipline, you are going to start seeing amazing results with dropshipping very soon. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm going to be posting 4 times every month, and I'm going to be dropping more value just like this one. And of course, for a peek into my daily life, don't forget to follow me right here on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you to the next time.